हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल वी डिस्कस अबाउट क्रिएटिव एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? रचनात्मक और महत्वपूर्ण सोच। सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं क्रिएटिव और क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग होती क्या है। क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग इज डिफाइंड एज द यूज ऑफ डाइवर्जेंट थिंकिंग रिजल्टिंग इन द जनरेशन ऑफ ओरिजिनल आइडियाज और सॉल्यूशन। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एक प्रोसेस है बी यूज टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन असेज एंड जज द assumptions underlying our own and others ideas and efforts। क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग जो है वो भी एक प्रोसेस है वी यूज टू डेवलप आइडियाज। हम आइडिया विकसित करने में करते हैं दैट आर यूनिक, जो कि यूनिक होते हैं, यूजफुल होते हैं एंड वर्दी ऑफ फर्दर एलाबोरेशन। Critical thinking may be defined as the cognitive process of actively questioning assumptions and analyzing, synthesizing and are evaluating data, evidence or points of view to solve a problem। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्या डिफाइन करता है? कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस को जिसमें एनालाइज किया जाता है, उसका विश्लेषण किया जाता है, मूल्यांकन किया जाता है डेटा का, ओके, और बहुत से पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन किया जाता है। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इज द इंटेलेक्चुअली डिसिप्लिन प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्टिवली एंड स्किलफुली कंसेप्चुलाइजिंग, अप्लाइंग, एनालाइजिंग, सिंथेसाइजिंग एंड और इवोल्यूटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन gathered from or generated by observation, experience, reflection, reasoning or communication as a guide to belief and action। In its exemplary form, it is based on universal intellectual values that transcend subject matter divisions: clarity, accuracy, precision, consistency, relevance, sound evidence, good reasons, depth, breadth and fairness। क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग जो है वो इज़ अ वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट प्रॉब्लम्स और सिचुएशंस फ्रॉम अ फ्रेश पर्सपेक्टिव टू कंसीव ऑफ समथिंग न्यू और ओरिजिनल। और जो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है वो लॉजिकल है, सिक्वेंशियल है, डिसिप्लिन प्रोसेस ऑफ रैशनलाइजिंग, एनालाइजिंग, इवैल्यूएटिंग एंड इंटरप्रेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन टू मेक इन्फॉर्म्ड जजमेंट्स एंड और डिसीजंस। The critical thinking involves calling into questions the assumptions underlying our customary habitual ways of thinking and acting, and then being ready to think and act differently on the basis of the critical questioning। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग की डिफरेंस है, जिसमें क्या की डिफरेंस है? क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग ट्राइज टू क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू while critical thinking seeks to assess worth or validity of something that already exists। Creative thinking is generative while critical thinking is analytical। Creative thinking is divergent while critical thinking is convergent। Creative thinking is focused on possibilities while critical thinking is focused on probability। Creative thinkers consider rejecting standardized formats for problem solving, have an interest in a wide range of related and divergent fields, take multiple perspectives on a problem, use trial and error methods in their experimentation, have a future orientation, have self-confidence and trust in their own judgment। Critical thinking involves recognize underlying assumptions, judging ideas, judging the rationality of the justifications by comparing them to a range of varying interpretations and perspectives, provide positive as well as negative appraisal। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग और क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग देखिए कौन कौन से होते हैं। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इसमें एनालिटिकल किया जाता है, कन्वर्जेंट, लेफ्ट ब्रेन, लॉजिकल, सिक्वेंशियल, objective, reasoning, reality based, vertical, probability, judgmental, verbal, hypothesis testing, closed ended, pattern users। और क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग में आपके जनरेटिव, डाइवर्जेंट, राइट ब्रेन, इंट्यूटिव, इमेजिनेटिव, सब्जेक्टिव, स्पेकुलेटिंग, फैंटेसी बेस्ड, लेटरल, पॉसिबिलिटी, नॉन जजमेंटल, विजुअल, हाइपोथेसिस फॉर्मिंग, ओपन एंडेड एंड पैटर्न सीकर्स। About creative thinking. Creative thinking is a process utilized to generate list of new, varied and unique ideas or possibilities. Creative thinking brings a fresh perspective and sometimes unconventional solution to solve a problem or address a challenge. When you are thinking creatively, you are focused on exploring ideas, generating possibilities and or developing various theories. हम क्रिएटिव एबिलिटीज़ को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं? कीप ट्रैक ऑफ योर आइडियाज़ एट ऑल times. Many times ideas come at unexpected times. If an idea is not written down within 24 hours, it will usually be forgotten. Pose new questions to yourself every day and inquiring mind is creatively active one that enlarges its area of awareness. Keep abreast of your field, read magazines, read journals and other literature in your field to make sure you are not using yesterday's technology to solve today's problem. Engage in creative hobbies. Hobbies help you to relax. Practice creative thinking with the following technique. Brainstorm ideas to ask another question or suggest another calculation that can be made for the homework assignment. Brainstorm ways to make the problem easier or more difficult. Brainstorm a list of things you learn more working the problem and what your point of view is regarding the problem. The what if questions are particularly effective. The problems where one varies the parameters to explore the problem and to carry out sensitivity analysis. क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग स्किल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? ओपन माइंडनेस, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, इमेजिनेशन, अडेप्टिबिलिटी, रिस्क टेकिंग, ओरिजिनलिटी, एलाबोरेशन, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग और इमेजरी। इसमें आपके ब्रेनस्टॉर्म बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग में। Next is critical thinking. Critical thinking is the process of actively analyzing, interpreting, synthesizing, evaluating information gathered from observation, experience or communication. It is thinking in clear, logical, reason and reflective manner to make informed judgments and or decisions. The critical thinking involves calling into question the assumptions underlying our customary habitual way of thinking and acting, and they being ready to think and act differently on the basis of the critical questioning. The components of critical thinking are identifying and challenging assumptions, recognizing the importance of context, imagining and exploring alternatives, developing reflective skepticism. Phases of critical thinking क्या है? ट्रिगर इवेंट, एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड हैपनिंग दैट प्रम्प्ट्स अ sense of inner discomfort and perplexity. Appraisal, a period of self-scrutinizing to identify and clarify the concern. Explanation, search for ways to explain discrepancy of to live with them. Developing alternative perspectives. Select those assumptions and activities them seem to be the most satisfactory and congruent. Integration, become comfortable with and acting on new ideas, assumptions and new way of thinking. क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इन्वॉल्व्स द एबिलिटी, क्या क्या होती हैं इसमें, क्वेश्चंस, यूज लॉजिक, रिमेन ऑब्जेक्टिव, एग्जामिन, एनालाइज, इंटरप्रेट, इवोलेट, रीजन, रिफ्लेक्ट. क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग हैबिट्स ऑफ द माइंड. Critical thinking is an essential component of professional accountability, confidence, assurance of one's reasoning abilities, contextual perspectives, consideration of the whole situation, including relationships, background, and environment relevant to some happening. Creativity, intellectual inventiveness used to generate, discover, or structure ideas, imagining alternatives. Flexibility, capacity to adapt, accommodate, modify, or change thoughts, ideas, and behaviors. Intellectual integrity, process of seeking the truth through sincere, honest means, even if the results are contrary to one's assumptions and beliefs. Intuition, insightful sense of knowing without conscious or use of reason. Open-mindedness, a viewpoint characterized by being receptive to divergent view and sensitive to one's biases. Perseverance, pursuit of a course with determination to overcome obstacles. Reflection, contemplation of subject, especially one's assumptions, and thinking for the purpose of deeper understanding and self-evolution. An eagerness to know by seeking knowledge and understanding through observation and thoughtful questioning in order to explore possibilities and alternatives. Critical thinking is the process we use to reflect on, assess, and judge the assumptions underlying our own and others' ideas and efforts. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.